How's it going, guys? This is Scream Games here, and welcome back to another Destiny video. This video, I'm with my Warlock, level 26 Warlock, because I'm a boss. He looks like this. Yeah, he looks like this. He's quite good. You know, he's not that bad. He's crying because no one likes him. And yeah, so this video we are not doing a Legacy Southpaw challenge, though. We're gonna go to the reef and have some fun. So, in the last video, you guys like really watched a lot of it. Like I got like 22 views right now. I mean, that's not that bad. I mean, you could do better, but it's quite good for now. Since I'm only like 48 subscribers, I don't even know how much subscribers I have. Yeah. So let's try hitting at least 10 likes, at least 10. Or maybe even 10 or 5, or even, yeah, just 10 or 5 likes. And if you're nice, you can give me a subscribe, because I would really appreciate it. So let's do this. Like I forgot to click the pause button. There we go. I clicked the pause button, and now I'm unpaused it. Okay, so let's go to the little fallen guy, the little vandal. Varric. Okay, so let's check if we can buy anything. Varric. No, please. Oh, there's ships. He sells ships. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna buy some warlock things. God damn, we need an report. Okay, how are we gonna do that? I got an idea. We're gonna go do the House of Wolves. Okay, let's go. Wait, why am I here? Okay, guys. Let's do this. Well, guys, we're on House of Wolves, Kill Rising. Let's do this. So, I've already done this mission. Well, I didn't finish it, so that sucks. Yeah, but I didn't finish it. I was on my Titan, though. I have all of the things. I have a Hunter, I have a Warlock, and I have a Titan. The last video was my Hunter, and I will be carrying on with my, things, what's my, no, not my thing. I will be finishing this series, or doing this series, with my, Titan. I mean, no, not my Titan, my Warlock, because it's just really cool. And I really want to kill, Oryx with the Warlock. Because, you know, level 40 Warlocks look really cool. I'm not saying the other Warlocks don't look cool. Okay, these Vandals, no, these are Dregs. No one likes you, Dregs. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. This is just like level 8 strike all over again. But we're like, okay, okay,
Last week I was delivering court messages. Today we're delivering explosions. I love field work. Get after them, Guardian.
Okay.
The House of Winter and Devils and Kings, they hate Skolas. They think he betrayed the Fallen at the Twilight Gap.
Yeah, look, Twilight.
Detecting traces of a stasis field. Skolas was in a pod for years. It might be him.
Kami, or is it Kami or is it Hami? Kami, doesn't make any difference. I hate those shanks, or sharks, whatever. Shanks, I think they're called shanks.
Strange. They should be fighting. If the House of Winter already kneels to Skolas.
I'm just quiet all of a sudden. Okay. Boom. Kells of Kells? What the hell? What kind of name is that? You're Kells of Kells?
Ferrex, get on the comms. What
No.
did he say?
I almost killed him. Darn.
Yes. In your tongue, he said, the wolves stand strong, cower before the Kelp of Kells.
Kel of Kells. Did he give himself a promotion?
A fallen legend. He sees himself as a prophet, perhaps.
Yeah, he's an
Or
ugly
he has
bastard.
gone quite mad.
For God's sake, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, am I? Do I just jump down? No, I'm pretty sure I don't jump down. Pretty sure I go that way. Okay. I'm gonna have to go all the way there now. You wanna see something cool? No, that was not cool. Stop it. Explode. Done. All of them exploded like a boss. This is so cool. Dun. We got some heavy ammo. We got all the ammo over there, actually. Aye. Okay. Let's do this. With my heavy. Down. That's how boss I am, guys. Someone's right beside me. How did if there was someone right beside me, then they would have been dead. I don't know. Tracer Shank. What kind of name is that? Okay. No offense, Benji. You have great names. Okay. Okay, well, don't. Oh, oh my gosh. I hate captains. So scary. What, did he just duplicate, or is there more than one of them? What the hell? Okay, he's dead. Now there's one more. Get out of the way, Vandals. You stink. I don't like Vandals. They're so annoying. Captains are even better. You're just gonna hide there. You think I'm not gonna see you? Yeah, I'm not gonna see you. I don't have bad eyesight. I don't think the viewers can see it. Yeah, they could. Everybody could see it. You're terrible at hiding. Don't even try next time. Just don't. Look. Yo, look at you. That's what happens when you try overcoming me, but then I'm a boss. Da 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 da.
Take him down, Guardian.
Da da. For God's sake, I hate that guy. Da 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 da.
And he's gone. That skip has already broken orbit. No problem, Guardian. We'll get him. There's still plenty of wolves in there.
I hate that
Best
guy.
clear them out.
There are actually wolves in this game because I don't understand. Oh, wolves are like let's see. They're like guards, I think. No, that's a wolf guard. No, wolves are like guards. I just said that. What am I doing? Oh, no! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me with that really cool rocket. I really want to get that rocket. Actually, I want to get that rocket. Do I get that rocket if I kill him? Actually, I don't know. It's never happened in the game before. Let me try. Can I get the rocket? Oh, Scorch Cannon! Oh!
What is that thing?
Scorch
yeah.
cannon. Powerful
Boom.
and very rare indeed.
Boom. Boom. I'm gonna kill them before they even get here. Boom. 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 And there they roll. Okay. I hate those captains, man. They're so hard to kill. Oh, I just killed him. Always believe in yourself, kids. And I am a kid. I'm like 9 years old. Once I did that to a what's it called? There's an S. They look like Sam from Jacksepticeye, like Sam, the little Jacksepticeye. I think the purple Salamander. I don't know what they're called. I've done that once, and then I was trying to kill it, but then it killed me because like I shot it, and then I was too close, so then it killed me too. I was so annoying. I'm just trying to kill all these enemies right now. Come on, are you so scared, huh? You scared? Scared of a boss I am. What the hell is that? Oh my god, is this some type of skull? Yeah, I don't think that's a rock. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not a rock. Like while I'm editing this video, I'm just gonna be putting those Thug Life glasses on that rock. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right, I could edit, I'm not a wimp. Ooh, god damn it, don't come near me. And one did. I know how to edit videos. If you see my video, the last video, it's made from KineMaster. KineMaster is a very good editor, but it's not high tech, like Adobe. But I got my tablet. I do have a computer. I will not use my computer. My computer's got a virus before. I do not want to get a virus for it. Cause that sucks, and no one likes viruses. Okay, this thing's really annoying. Die. Yeah, this thing. It's a. I didn't even look at a snake. How stupid am I? I am very stupid. Kami. Don't be too close. Darn it. Run. Hunger Games are offline. Okay. One day I will do a video, guys, with one of my friends. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy it. I've been planning to do the Legacy Southpaw challenge. Now, I've already made a video of it, but I haven't uploaded it. That was the first Destiny video I made, the Legacy Southpaw challenge, but I never uploaded it. In that challenge, I can just tell you right now, it was really weird. So I'm going to be doing it again, but in that challenge, at the end of the video for that challenge, I like dipped my finger into really hot water. But I'm going to be doing another challenge for Legacy Southpaw. I will be doing another one. So, but in that challenge, I will not do what I did, because that really hurt. I'll probably just do something else. It's really hard. Leave me alone, please. I just need to play. These guys really want me dead. Need a grenade. Stop it. Not nice. It's not nice to do that, buddy. Not nice. Hide. Oh gosh, just like they're like surrounding me. Woo! Power of the Warlocks. Force. Guys, if you've seen the Star Wars movie, it was really good. I'm not going to spoil it, because everybody hates spoilers. It's really good. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, because it's really, I bet you it was really hard to make, because of all the, like, well, I'm just saying it was really good. It's not like I'm the one who directed it. I'm not that good at directing. I've never tried doing a movie before. I will not be doing any little movies in my thing. With my old channel, I used to do animations. Not animations. Oh yes, I really want that. Give me that. With my old channel, I would do stop motion with Lego, because I still have a lot of Lego. So yeah. Okay. I have it now. Ha 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 ha. Okay.
That's strange. For a moment, I detected Vex energy all around the site. As
Vex?
for you, that was great work. Nice to meet a Guardian that exceeds my expectations.
We're on Venus.
Winter now bows to
We're on
slowness,
Venus.
and the wolves have just gotten started.
We're on Venus. What do you expect? You're gonna have to Vex. Can I kill myself? No. Like, if I don't think. That kind of looks so awesome. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on next time.